Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. I have some body care that I have been testing and trying, and just my quick thoughts. This won't be a long video because I don't have a lot of them, but I wanted to come to the channel and let you all know some full in-depth thoughts if you need to get them or not. You know, let's chit-chat. Let's chat about them. All right, let's get into it. First up, let's talk about it. Finery, the new rouge. All right, so if you are familiar with this house, it is located in Target. I know. Don't cut me off yet. But if you have a gift card, which I did, and I purchased, you know, to each his own on how you all are going throughout the world and demonstrating and all the things. That's not what we're talking about. We're talking about this. But if you all know the new rouge, this is kind of, in my opinion, an inspired dupe or replica or scent of Baccarat's 540, okay? And those that love it, great. Those that don't, this may not be for you. However, how does this feel, sis? What does it smell like? Does it smell like the new rouge or does it not? When I tell you this is so spot on. This is so spot on. I am so excited that they came out with this body wash. Now, this is a gel-based body wash. This is not a moisturizer or creamy body wash. So if you have a problem with gel, which I have had problems with gel, I do have sensitive skin. I do be testing the waters and be dotting up my skin. It is what it is. But if you are okay with a gel-based body wash, this would be amazing. And I feel like this is also unisex. I can see a woman wearing this, of course, and I can absolutely see men wearing this as well. This is absolutely one that you need to try. I would say don't walk, run. Get this. The packaging to me matches up with the fragrance body spray and all. Like the packaging is like 100% on brand. Like, I love this packaging. It just flips up too. And you like, did you hear that? Like, I feel like it's also very sturdy, in my opinion. Not that like we're going on a race or like I'm doing a lot of sports thing with washing my body that I need this to be secure. However, I wouldn't travel with it. I would not travel this. But if I were to travel with this, I would still probably try to secure this because I'm just funny like that. But I would feel like I could put this in like a bag, kind of, you know, put a little taper. I feel like this would be okay for me to travel with. Now, this is so big. So would I travel with this? No. I would just put this in a travel packet. But I'm just saying, like, it gives me a little bit more like secure. And maybe it's just fooling me because I've not tested this in traveling. But anyway, the scent is everything. It is spot on, so good. I had a ball. I'm a sudsy, or like I love a good soapy type of body wash. I like to see the suds, and this absolutely did that on my body. I loved it. I feel like it didn't leave like a residue, or it didn't leave my skin feeling dry and just like it didn't do that for me. Okay, I'm still testing this, but I just had to come to the channel and let you all know I love it down. Next up, this is the butter drop. So this is the guava getaway scent, and I missed this when Fenty released this the first time. But during the Sephora sale, they had this little travel babe with a lip oil. Okay, so it was like a 2-package guava deal. Now, I absolutely love this scent. And you all can see I have been testing and trying it and all the things. I love this scent. I love the guava-ness. It's very juicy, very fruity, very delicious and sweet. And I love this scent for sure. For sure. Hands down, if they were to have this in a bigger container or bottle, I would get it. I love the texture of Fenty's body drops or body butters. I love the texture of it. So this is A1, would repurchase. If I could get my hands on a bigger tub, I would do it. Absolutely. This is going to be gone by the end of this spring, summer. As you can see, it's going to be gone, right? It's been on trips with me. It's been at home. This is going to be gone, okay? Now, I will say that body or lip oil that it came with, I'm not a fan. And I have had, and that's so weird because I have had Fenty's lip oils before, which I have loved, right? But I don't know what it was about that guava. It just gives very dry. Like when I put it on, I'm like, did I put it on? It doesn't last long. And maybe because it's an oil, it just doesn't last long. I don't know. It just did not give me the vibes with the lip oil portion of it. So I would not repurchase that per se. But this, absolutely. The body care itself, 100%, absolutely 100,000%. And it's called the butter drop. Okay, I've been calling this so many things, but I love this down for sure. So I would highly recommend, if they have a bigger bottle or even this, try it, test it. It's a really good scent if you like a good sweet, fruity type of scent. But that oil, the lip oil one, I'm sorry, Fenty, I would have to leave that at the store for somebody else that really, really loves that type of texture on their lips, okay? And last but certainly not least, okay, now Josie Maran, let's talk about it. This is the Topless Tangerine Fragrant Mist, okay? I don't know if you all remember me saying, like, when it sprays out, it sprays very milky. I don't know. Let me see if you can even... You see it. You see it. I see it. So you see it. So it sprays out very milky. So one, my first recommendation of this, girl, don't put this on your clothes. This is not no fragrance mist that you put on your clothes. This is a body... I don't know. I've not even put it on my hair. I don't even think I would put it on my hair. Unless I have a weave in my hair or a wig, or I don't even know if I would put it on my braids. I don't know. I haven't tried it and I haven't been wanting to try it, right? Like I haven't wanted to test that water of my braid. So maybe if you have a wig or some weave that you don't mind testing this on your hair, cool. But for me and your sis, I'm gonna do the body. I'm gonna stick with testing this on my body. Now, 100%, the tangerine is absolutely my favorite. I love the juiciness in it. I love this type of citrus, right? Like sometimes lemon cleaning products type of stuff. Nah. That's not your sis. But a good orange, very sweet, juicy type of scent. Yeah, that's me. That's me all day. I love it. And it's strong. It is so strong. So, one thing, if you do not like tangerine, orange, citrus, this is not for you. You're not going to want any part of the top list tangerine. Note the words, like what it's called, the name of this body mist or fragrance mist. Yeah. Believe it. Believe it the first time, because if you don't like tangerine, you don't want no parts of this. Okay, this is all tangerine straight up. Anyway, I think this is so amazing for the spring and summer. This is so easy. You know, maybe you don't want to wear a fragrance that day, but you want to wear something that is going to last and, you know, just be easy. This is easy, right? But this goes on your body, okay? You see how it came on milky? But I think with the milk, maybe it has an oil or a higher oil concentration in this that it stays. It stays on your body, which I do love. So like, I started thinking like, does Bath and Body Works need like more higher oil concentration so that it comes milky? I don't know, because we spray a good Bath and Body Works all over our body. So maybe the water and the alcohol, maybe we just need to stick with that. But I don't know. They are like literally introducing me to like a fragrant mist that like stays with you. Like, we may all need to go to the creamy and the milky on fragrant mist, and maybe we would have a different thought of a body mist, right? Maybe it will become like this thing where we can save a good coin and maybe not have to spend these $400, $500 perfumes, and we just get the body mist, but it does stay all day. We don't have to re-up. Okay, that was my rant. I don't know. Like, I don't even know if that makes sense. However, this is good. Okay, so if you have a good like oil, good body butter or something like that, you can put that, like spray it in your hand, put it with it, and then kind of rub on your body. But sis, I would highly recommend you don't put this on none of your clothes. Okay, your sis said don't. So if you do, cause you grown, you out on your own on that. Cause I done said don't do that, and you done seen what it did. Okay. Anyway, great fragrance. I would repurchase this. Yes. Yeah, I would absolutely repurchase this. So let me know your thoughts. Have you tried this? Do you like it? It does say shake well and spray. But no matter if you shake well, don't shake well, it's still going to come out milky and white. Exactly. Because sometimes y'all believe me, sometimes y'all don't. Now for this one, you gonna have to rub it. I know you see me, you like, sis, let it dry down. No, girl. No. You gonna rub. You gonna activate it and rub this type in. Okay. Well, fam, let me know your thoughts. Have you tried any of these products? I would love to know. Would you be interested in trying these products? Did I make it sound interesting? Glamorous? I don't know. Okay. Let me know in the comments. Make sure that you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one tells you that you're more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.